To change the thumbnail of an uploaded YouTube short using the mobile app on either Android or iPhone, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Navigate to your videos to locate the short you wish to edit. Find the specific short you uploaded in the past. I would like to update this thumbnail for my YouTube short that was uploaded a year ago. Upon zooming in, it's clear that the current thumbnail is of low quality and features an improperly chosen frame. Tap on the three-dot menu next to your video. Then select the Edit option. You will see the option to edit the thumbnail. Tap over it. Here you can choose from the 9 available auto-generated thumbnails. Once you've selected a new thumbnail, make sure to save your changes. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing to the Dozro channel. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you for watching.